All right, guys, welcome back to PewPew Brothers. We got a really cool video today. A super fan and just all-around awesome guy sent us a gun to review and shoot the bejeebus out of. And this is the first time Luke's is going to get to see it, so we're going to do his reaction to it.
Oh my jeebus. Oh my jeebus.
All right, guys. We have... Go ahead.
What the hell?
It's a Dickinson XXPR. It's a 12 gauge AR style semi-auto or pump.
Oh Jesus!
So you can run
Christ.
it pump if you're running like light shells, but I've actually shot some birdshot through it and it runs it. But so we're gonna do some shooting with this guy and then come back and do our tabletop. What do you think of it?
I already want one.
I know, right?
I want one.
All right, guys. We'll see you outside. What's cheaper than an AR-15 and really fucks shit up a lot more than one?
12 gauge.
This thing is pretty freaking amazing. Pretty light recoil. As you see, it just slings shells downrange. Seems like it works pretty good in semi-auto and in pump action. You want to shoot it? All right, let's keep her going. Let's keep her moving.
You loading this time?
Yeah.
All right. How much is the last one then?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. It's in there. I just closed it.
Just shoot well. You got a lot of gas blowback that first shot, man. Oh, it's that last shell. That double-up bug. That's where I got all the gas back from.
That's where it was. All right.
Go pipe. Double feed?
Yeah, tried to.
All right, see if I can smoke one of them. We haven't done any kind of zeroing with this, so. Okay, I got them all.
Well, hit the cane and lay it down on the ground in the front.
Ah, soft shell problems.
Drop it in there. See if you can load it by dropping one in. All right, perfect.
But as you can see, it just ran 5 shells, no problem for him. So I'd give this thing. Yeah, reach in my pocket. I'd give it 7 out of 10 for reliability with just. I mean, those are the cheapest shotgun shells I could find. They're like 17 cents a round, which is awesome because it's as cheap as shooting 22 at this point. And 12 gauge is the only thing you can still find. There you go, 5 fast shots. This thing's a runner. Ugh.
I can't load that fast.
Huh?
I can't load that fast.
Yeah. You see how the ground is just completely destroyed? Everything from here that way, 20 yards just got hit by pellets. Look at the box. And like I said, this is like 7.5 shots, so these are little BBs, but they just tear everything up. Here, look at there. So, home defense, what would you give it?
Home defense? I'd give this one a 9.
If you don't mind on redoing some walls after the fact, I'd give it a 10.
Yeah.
You run double aught buck through this thing, it'll tear your whole house down.
It'd be fun.
All right, let's see if we can blow the box up some more.
All right.
It's a real close range. It didn't eject the shell. Just killed the box. I was told once that a shotgun with the right load at the right range doesn't kill people. It takes and rips chunks of meat off of them and throws it on the ground. So, I mean, this ain't quite the right load, but that's not a human, so we'll give it. The one thing with the pump I don't like is it's a real short stroke.
Well, and I wish it had a spot for your finger to sit on both sides.
Yeah.
So you could actually pull it back and have something to hold on to.
Really pretty forgiving to shoot.
Yeah.
Not bad, not bad. I'm liking it.
Got 2 mags plus 3.
Huh? Pick up your shells. We're shooting at home.
Yeah.
And I'm still gonna pick up my shells, but pick up your damn shells if you're out shooting on somebody else's land or out on BLM. No shooting trees, no shooting planes.
You don't hold pressure with that. Everything's here. So it's nice and easy.
That last one, when it locks itself in, weird.
Yeah. Well, it's got a lot of weight to it when it locks in.
Right? I keep wanting to run it in semi. I want it to work.
Well, it might just need to be broken in, so.
It's just short changing them. It needs heavier shells. Not perfect. Here, I want to get a shot of the shells flying out of it. It ran it. Did not. I could tell with the... Here, shoot another one. I'm going to get some more video of this. Oh, you shortchanged the shell out of it.
Put that one in the pocket, let it melt
Stab
off.
her in there, it'll go.
You think so?
Oh, yeah, it'll run.
All right. Oh, that pinched my hand.
Oh, yeah, it ran good.
All right.
That's a big gun. It's hard to like get it all in frame. Do some. Yeah. Buy it.
Yeah, I'd buy it.
Yeah, if you want one of these, go buy it.
It's
I have no idea how much they
in
are.
your pocket. This is the last 5 minutes.
She's all yours.
Huh?
The last 5 are all yours. I can't get it back in my pocket. Ooh, it right, we'll see you inside.
Yeah, where's warm?
All right, guys, we're back. We're back.
Yeah, now we're warm.
Twins.
Yeah,
Getting warm.
his is a little more faded for some reason. He's always wearing a hoodie over his.
Yeah.
So mine's always nice because I don't wear a hoodie that often, except when I'm outside.
Right, like me.
No, you wear a hoodie like almost all the time.
That's true. All right, guys. So you saw it. I don't know what else to tell you. Just kidding.
It was fun.
This thing is super fun and huge. We're gonna hold it way back here so you can see the whole thing.
I'll hold it. I like the buttstock on here though. Nice and soft.
This thing is a riot. Literally, this could be a riot
Yeah.
gun. Home defense, fun to shoot, cheap to shoot.
Makes a mess.
With cheap ammo. Yeah, I remember why we don't shoot shotguns here very often. It's because everything that you shoot at just turns into garbage. But this thing's sweet, man. I would totally buy one of these.
Yeah, I get.
My wife is gonna be so mad when I go and buy one of these. Is what I guess I should say.
Yeah.
Maybe not. So I was reading the manual that it comes with, and this sweet case that I showed you guys. It has 5, 3, or well, which would be a 2-round, and 10-round magazines. This is pretty much the same size as like a Ace mag or a 308 mag. So you could probably get the Magpul double mag thing and connect 2 of them.
Yeah.
And run 20 round flip mags on it. That'd be cool. Heavy. Shotgun ammo's heavy.
Yeah. That right there is about a pound and a half.
Easily pound and a
It's
half.
only 5 rounds in that.
That's double out buck too though.
Yeah.
That's some major ammo. Home defense. If you're willing to redo drywall, I'd say this is a sweet home defense gun.
Unless you just put up pine siding inside your house.
Right. It's got this nasty jabber on it.
I would not want to get hit by that.
No, that'd hurt. One of my other shotgun videos I did, I like to put those on my home defense guns because worst case scenario, if you stab somebody with it, that will put them on their ass.
Yeah, stab it and then shoot them with it at the same time. It's gonna go through them.
Blow chunks off.
There's gonna be a hole coming out the back.
But we don't talk about shooting people.
No.
Yeah, this thing's got a rail, so you can run a red dot on it. Otherwise, it's got the old A2 style, which is
Handles.
decent.
Yeah. Had to be adjusted all the way up for so you can look down it. Otherwise.
It's got the. Otherwise, I would call this stupid, California compliant. But on this thing, it looks cool. So this is not an AR; it's a shotgun, so it kind of looks super futuristic. Which when I hear semi-auto pump action as well shotgun, I think, oh, that's probably something super futuristic.
Well, it reminds me of if you ever played Halo. The machine gun rifle that they have on Halo.
I haven't played that in so long.
I know, but it looks just like this in the rear.
Okay.
Maybe not exactly, but it looks similar to that, and that's what it reminds me of.
What I really like about this is they did some lightning cuts. They took some weight out of kind of the middle of this gun, kind of in like the right spots. It's heavy, but when you think semi-auto shotgun, like an AA-12 is like 15 pounds, I think.
And what I liked about it is
Empty mag.
empty mag.
Chambers open.
Okay. In there, you still got the button, but then you also have a finger release. Take it out. Instead of, because sometimes you ain't got enough strength in your finger because that's a really hard button to push on the side. Pushing forward.
It'll also take. That's a lot easier, but
Yeah.
you work it enough, it'll loosen up.
Yeah.
It's got some nice forward rails, so you could put a light on this.
Yeah. Flashlight on there, strobe light on it.
The barrel breaks down into a bunch of pieces. It's got like coats, like sheeting, so you could take this off, clean it. You can't even see what I'm doing. So the barrel comes off in pieces like this, and it's got an underbarrel, so you can clean both, or just clean the underbarrel. overall, this is a really awesome gun. Super fun to shoot.
Very fun.
It's pandemic friendly because 12 gauge is cheap and like you can do all kinds. Like, there's all kinds of different loads.
Yeah.
We were shooting birdshot and it was running the gun.
Yeah.
It
ran better in pump action than semi-auto, but
and all that is it's got really heavy springs, and it says right in the manual that you need like it says right in the manual that you need heavy loads essentially to run this gun in semi-auto, and we had probably 70% of the time it was running it when we were doing it in semi-auto.
Yeah.
With birdshot, it's not meant to run semi-autos like this. So.
But it was definitely fun, and I would highly recommend buying this one because, well, you get bored and want to destroy something out in your property.
This is
the one you want
for it. If you need to shoot a door down, this would probably do it.
I'm sure it would do more than just shoot the door down.
So yeah, thanks for watching. On a side note, it's free to subscribe to the YouTube channel, and it would help us out a lot. We have some super awesome fans and friends. They're my friends that help us out with stuff like this. I don't own this firearm. I was given it for a review to shoot and basically told to go crazy. Thank you. You know who you are. But yeah, it's free to like and subscribe. Leave me some comments. I'll reply. If they're really good, I'll put them on the channel. I'll put them up here. So far, you guys suck at leaving comments, so I don't have nothing to put up here. Some of you guys are mean about my neck beard.
Yeah.
I don't even care.
You can't grow one like this.
But for now, thanks for watching. This is Big Z, Lucas. We're out here.
And monsters.
It's so far away.
It is so far away. We can leave this one in? We can leave this part in? Probably.
Maybe.
I got it.
I'm pretty lazy about editing.